1 minute and 20 seconds in the air. Brand new dreams and reckless care. Just me and you in a letter gap, practicing skills, feeling pretty slap. I flew so clean, I felt so proud. Buzzing quiet, not too loud. A little landing, soft green grass. Who knew this would be the last? Oh why, little drone, why you leave me here alone? Not a crash, not even bold, just grass that somehow broke your soul. No sparks, no smoke, no fiery end. Just transmitter disconnected, my friend. I checked the wires, I checked again. Grass wins this round, 10 out of 10.